Next part of Chavushinn village. We are still very close to where we started. You can see the old ruins in down there, covered with crumbled stones, and grasses cover their roofs. As the traffic flows in down there with the tourists, you can see the crumbled stones with erosion and remaining of the rock settlement in there. As you might observe, you see the yellowish parts. This kind of stone we call it tuff stone, Tuff. It's a volcanic stone with lava and ash and some minerals, and it has different colors sometimes. The whitish or beige color is the natural color, but you see the yellowish concentration is because of the sulfur, and sometimes there is reddish concentrations or reddish lines or pinkish lines. That's because of iron oxide. So the top part is mostly for tourists to take photos, as you can see, and you can see the reddish part in a hill and pinkish part, and there is clear lines in there. You can see the color changes with pinkish and reddish tones, and you can see a tiny home in there carved down. And soon I will explain about the formation of these rocks in Cappadocia. Where did they come from? How did they shape like this? Or why people prefer to live inside of these caves instead of regular constructed houses. This is Chavushinn village. Just across you can see another town we call Göreme, and you see that pointed two hills and with a town below it. We call it Uchisar. As soon as I have time for it, I will explain about them in the future as well. And usually the hot air balloons rises from that area basically, or some other locations of Cappadocia as well. They go through different valleys such as Love Valley,